In this video, I'm going to show you how to segment your contacts in Hubspot step by step, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create contact segments, lists, and filter your audience the right way for marketing and CRM purposes. To do that, head over to your Hubspot dashboard. Click on CRM, and then from there, locate the option for lists. If you can't find it, you can also use the search option and search for lists until you see it. Here we have segments. It's formally called lists, so click on that. Now once you've done that, you can see your existing segments. Click on Create Segment. In here, choose what you want to create a segment of. I'll choose to create a segment of my contacts. You can generate segment filters for this as well. Then click Next to continue creating the segment. Now from here, you can add any filter that you want. You can input different properties as well as events that those contacts are part of. Once you're done setting your filters, click Next to create that segment. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to segment your contacts in Hubspot and organize your audience for better targeting. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for more Hubspot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.